My video will help you in getting rid of Ro01.biz, a fake human verification alert. This is the deceptive resource that tries to force you into clicking on the Allow button to subscribe to its push notifications. The pop-up says that you need to click on Allow to confirm that you are not a robot. The reality is that clicking on the Allow button is a very serious mistake that would lead to a lot of problems. If the Allow button is clicked, the browser will be hijacked and you may be redirected to some other deceptive and even malicious websites. If you have clicked on the Allow button, that's definitely a mistake. However, the good thing is that it can be easily fixed. Watch carefully how it can be fixed. Go to the menu of your browser, which looks as this circle with three vertical dots. Click on Settings. Scroll down to Site Settings and then in Permissions choose Notifications. Now you need to research the Allow area carefully and get rid of this Ro01.biz website from this list. Finally, I recommend that you perform additional checkup with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. After the application is downloaded and installed, let it update the antivirus database. Then click on Start Combo Scan. Remember that initially the application is in the trial mode. However, it has got some free features, for example, disk cleaner, big files and duplicates. So wait until the scanning is over and you will see the detailed report. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The program at the end of scan will show you the detailed report with the number of threads that were found. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. So this will show you the exact location of all threads that were revealed during the scanning. You may go to some specific thread, click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and so the program will bring you to the exact location of each specific thread. Then you may right-click on it and move it to the trash. So this is the manual and free way to get rid of all these threads. And of course, I recommend that you perform the automatic removal with the premium version of Combo Cleaner Antivirus.